Hi there! When it comes to buying the most advanced mobile, we visit a mobile store like the Apple store or the Samsung store. When it comes to making our home smarter, we visit the home automation brand showroom. But what about if you want the best sleep? Did you know you spend 1/3 of your life sleeping and probably give the least importance to it? But if you're looking for the most comfortable and advanced sleep of your life, then you must visit the Sleep Company showroom. Do you know they have a recliner bed as well? And there's so much more. It's gonna be really exciting. Let's check it out. Now, I was looking to buy the Sleep Company Smart Grid mattress since some time now, and I came to know about their new showroom in Mumbai, Andheri. So thought of visiting it and sharing my experience, which will help you in your purchase decision as well. Come, let's check it out. Did you know the Smart Grid is one of the biggest USP of the Sleep Company? It's India's first and only Smart Grid mattress that adapts to your body shape for that perfect comfort along with back pain relief. It's made up of hyper-elastic polymer with 2500 air channels providing better airflow. Check this out, the Sleep Lab. Now this is the Smart Grid and this is the memory foam that we've been using in so many beds for all these years. Now, says sleeping hot is not so cool. Basically, when you press this button, turns on the fans and this doesn't pass any air, making it so much more warm for you. While this, there is full air pass through directly from here, making it so much more comfortable and cooler for you to sleep. Starting with the Smart Ortho Pro. And if you look here, this is the sample piece that they have and it comes with the Smart Grid on the top. Then you have the 5-inch Ortho foam and the 2-inch Resilient foam. This is really soft. This one is available in 5 inches, 6 inches and 8 inches. Moving further, you have the Smart Ortho Pro. This here you can see comes with the 1-inch Smart Grid. Then you get the 5-inch High Resilient Orthopedic Pro and you get the 2-inch scientific approved 5-zone body support. This is available in 8 inches and 10 inches. And when you press this, this too is really comfortable. Then this is the Smart Ortho Hybrid and this one is a mix of many layers. Now check this out. It has 1-inch Smart Grid, 2-inch Ortho Support Foam and 4-inch pocketed springs. And you can see it's a lot softer. Moving further to the Smart Lux. Now this one even has some more layers, making it even more comfortable, starting with 2-inch Smart Grid, 4-inch Soft Transition Foam, plus 2-inch High Resilient Smart Foam, making it extremely soft. The Smart Lux mattresses are available in 6 inches, 8 inches and 10 inches. Alright, it's time for the egg challenge. So what we're going to do is place this egg on the bed and sit on it. Yeah, not joking. Come, let's see how it works. So there we go. Placing the egg and God Almighty save me. Okay, आवाज तो नहीं आई. And there you go. Can you believe it? Let's try it again. Oh. And there you go. It's so well adaptive. And just in case you're confused that is this a real egg, let's see. And there you go. That's a real egg. Then here you can also find some all-weather comforters and bedding mattress protectors. The quality of the comforters and covers are truly impressive. Then we also have some Smart Grid office chairs, which not only provide the comfort, but also the design gives support to your spine while you're working for long hours. It even reclines back, perfect to take a power nap while taking a break from your long working day. These chairs start from Rs 12,999 onwards. Coming to the pillows. The Sleep Company has 3 types of pillows. This one is the Smart Cervical Pillow and you can see it has a unique curved shape. It's intended to relieve tension in the head, neck and shoulders. This super specialized pillow is your all-in-one answer for cervical pain. A pair of this is priced at 4,899. Moving to the next one, the Smart Adjustable Plush Pillow. It comes with a super soft microfiber material. Check that out. Best part is you can open the zip on the side and it spreads even more, making it even softer. Truly smart pillow, I'd say. A pair of this one is priced at 1,999. Coming to the third one, the Smart Hybrid Pillow. It's heavier than the rest but smartest. It has smart grid inside the pillow. Let me open it up and show it to you. It takes the shape of your head and neck, easily the softest and comfiest pillow science can design. A pair of these is priced at $3,499. Now coming to the hero product of the Sleep Company, the Smart Recliner Bed. Now using a wireless remote, it can raise the back and foot area to provide that perfect sleeping position. One of my favorite is the TV position, which gives it an ideal position to read a book, to watch the TV or even work on your laptop. Activate the built-in massage feature that gives your head and lower back a dream massage, taking away all the stress of the day with a relaxing sleep experience. Then the zero gravity position, which is known to be the best sleeping position. Here your heart and knees come at the same height, which helps for better blood circulation, breathability becomes better, and even snoring issues are resolved. It's just next level. So this recliner bed queen size with 10-inch Smart Lux Hybrid mattress is priced at $92,000. Now I think this is an amazing product for that price. You actually won't even need a recliner sofa in your room anymore. Now, if you're in Mumbai, I highly recommend you visit this store, get a hands-on of all the mattresses, the pillows, the recliner bed, and so much more. You can also order online from the sleepcompany.in. Link will be in the description. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.